Hey, good morning guys! Today is a special day, it's a Drey day! Yeah! Because it's my birthday. Usually I spend my birthdays not working, spending time for myself, doing whatever I want to do. Usually we go for a trip, go to a nice restaurant and have an awesome day. But as of the pandemics, restaurants are closed, we cannot leave Ljubljana and it's raining outside. I don't know the last time it was raining for my birthday, so I had to figure out this plan out a bit differently. So we're gonna cook at home. Sanja is gonna prepare a really special dish, something that I really love to eat, and then I'll go off to the workshop. Check it out. So just came from groceries, got all the ingredients needed, and I'll show you masters at work. Taking scampi out from the bag, cleaning them up in the sink. Water is separating the heads from the bodies. So now I need to explain, because Sanja here taught me something. We need to separate the heads from the bodies, because in the heads there are like thousands and thousands of flavors. So you need to cook that and add to the sauce for the end. How do we call this, my favorite dish?
Spaghetti lemon scampi.
Smells good. Adding a bit of chili.
Yes.
To spice it up, huh?
To heat it up.
We need to add some wine. I'm only allowed to do that in the kitchen, opening wine bottles. Not allowed to cook though, for some reasons. Why?
Because you can burn down the kitchen.
If it's just the kitchen, then it's alright, I would say. So I thought I'd pour this wine for the cooking, but apparently chef needs some wine. Why?
So I can taste better the dishes.
So what's your excuse, guys, huh? Cheers.
Cheers. To your birthday.
Go shorty, it's your birthday.
Boiling water. We could use that for tuning cars or something. What is that for?
For pressing the garlic.
I think I lost something. I got kicked out from the kitchen. What's for the appetizer?
Tuna carpaccio.
Tuna carpaccio. Appetizers look good, but what about the main dish?
Almost ready.
So just came to the workshop. The guys were working really hard on the car. We are building downpipe, welding, cutting, fabricating. Yes. And not only Sunny is here, but there is also a special guest doing some special electronics. We can say hi to T through the tunnel because there is no prop shaft attached yet. Hey man!
That's called the SEMA. It's a Bluetooth drive shaft.
Yeah.
All the SEMA cars have.
Wave to the camera. Hey, I feel like a Bugs Bunny. And you like Elmer Fudd.
Raspberry Rabbit.
So we have these pipes that were a bit machined because these pipes are gonna be for the intercooler.
Yes.
For the intercooler, so cold and hot side, then they are barbed. So the silicone hoses or couplers don't fall off when the air is under pressure from the turbocharger.
When Drey pushes the throttle.
Okay, we have a couple of those, so the funny guy here needs to measure, cut and weld them together. So this is our to-do list.
Yes.
It's the same for like a month.
Some is Sunny, all the other is for Drey.
What do you mean?
Yeah, Sunny will make intercooler piping, heat shield and foil. It's
Stage 2 or what?
No. Sunny and Drey, you are one half. You will sort the folia.
The foil. Yeah. But how do you think that I'm gonna do the work with the mount for the throttle pedal? This is your part, man.
Where?
Yeah, under shift lever.
Box?
No, one above.
Pedals for gas.
Yeah, for gas.
Sealets.
Yes.
Yeah, so yeah.
And also the one underneath. We need to build the box for the battery.
Okay.
So, Sunny has a lot of homework. He's a good guy.
Yeah, but I shouldn't watch the to-do list. I get dve naloge sem še dobil, ne?
Two tasks.
Two tasks dodatno.
So, as we are doing these vlogs, Sunny is also learning English.
Learning English, yes.
So, building the hot pipe. There is already an air filter mounted. It's a big one, K&N. But the thing is, because of the steering angle, when you turn in the wheel to the right, the wheel gets quite close to these pipes. Well, we need to take care of that it doesn't get too close, right?
I'm now just gonna tag weld it, and then we need to back punch it with argon, so that the weld will be perfect on
Nice
the
and smooth.
outside and the inside.
And the hot pipe is in place, just need to be welded all around with the perch like Sunny mentioned. But first we're gonna continue with the cold pipe.
We need to look the clearance. Here we don't have air filter, so the clearance won't be a problem. We'll probably go here with 90 degrees elbow up, and then here we need to locate the pipes that we have enough clearance to intake manifold and
So normally on the RB25s the cold pipe goes over the valve cover and the spark plugs down here, and something like that down to the intercooler. Firstly, we don't want to do that, and secondly, it doesn't clear the bonnet. And in the near future, we're gonna change the intake manifold, so we're gonna shorten this piping quite much. Also, the chief mechanic in charge, aka my dad, has done an amazing job installing the new prop shaft, which is actually kind of a hybrid. Well, it's more than a hybrid. So this part here is from BMW because it needs to fit the BMW Hardy and the gearbox. Coming to this part is actually an S14 part, and going all the way to the back. Of course, this part here is from R33 GTR, because now we are running the GTR differential and half shafts. Guys were working really hard on the car, wanted to surprise me by starting the car today. Unfortunately, that didn't go with the plans, but still, let me show you how the car cranks. Actually, there was not like a huge problem why we didn't start the car. Only thing that it was that the link ECU didn't want to connect to the software on the PC, and for safety measures we decided, okay, let's not start the car until the ECU connects to the PC so we can read all the needed parameters.